Good morning friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's lecture I will tell you about the series RLC circuit. You know the series RLC circuit, if we will vary the value of resistance, then there will be change in the response of the voltage across this capacitor Vt. Okay, so I will verify the results in the MATLAB Simulink. So I will verify the three conditions: zeta equal to 0, you know zeta is the damping ratio, 0 for undamped circuit, means I will tell you later. Zeta greater than 1 over damped system, and zeta less than 1 under damped system. So zeta equal to 0 undamped means there will be oscillations in the response of the system or across the output voltage of the capacitor. Zeta greater than 1 means overdamped, there will be no oscillations in the output, so you will get a smooth response. But practically we do not design the system for zeta greater than 1. Practically we design our system for zeta 0.6 to 0.8, means for zeta less than 1. Okay, this is the practical value for designing the system, zeta 0.6 to 0.8. Zeta less than 1 underdamped means system should come into steady state after 1 or 2 oscillations. Okay, so omega d is the damping frequency equal to omega naught square minus a square. Omega naught is the natural frequency, it is in radian per second, equal to 1 by under root L and C, and A equal to 1 by 2 RC. So as you can see the circuit, resistance value I will vary, and L value is fixed 0.1 Henry and capacitor value is 0.1 millifarad. Okay, so I am just checking the waveform across this capacitor, and input voltage is 10 volt. Okay, let's see. This is the code for series RLC circuit. So first, this is CLC, means clear this editor window, then clear all command to clear this workspace. Here this is a workspace, all variable you can see here their value. L inductance is 0.1 Henry, capacitance C equal to 0.1 e to the power minus 3 farad. First I am taking the value of resistance, for example 1 ohm, A equal to 1 by 2 RC, omega naught equal to 1 by square root and root L into C. Similarly omega D, natural frequency, damping frequency, equal to S square RT, omega into omega minus A square. B1, this is a simple input voltage. B2, this is some another variable to calculate the output voltage. Then this is the output voltage across the capacitor, V equal to B1, this input voltage exponential minus A into T. T, actually just I am plotting the output waveform from 0 to 0.12 seconds, and the step size is 0.0001. If you are reducing the step size, then you will not get the smooth waveform, so we will check later. Then I am going to plot time on the x-axis and on the y-axis voltage, this V variable. So command for this plot command is plot x comma y. Okay, so on x-axis I am plotting the time, and on y-axis I am plotting the voltage. So I am going to run this program. Let's see. For R equal to 1, you are getting the response, as you can see you're getting here 0 without any oscillations. Okay, as I am going to increase the value of resistance, let's see the effect. R equal to 10 ohm. Now you can observe the smoothness. You are getting here some rise time. Okay, and then output, it is going to be settled on the 0 volt. Further, this is the case of overdamping. There is no oscillation here. This is the case of zeta greater than 1. Further, I am going to increase the resistance value to 50. Now you can observe the oscillation. This is a zeta less than 1 because you are getting the oscillation. Further, if I am going to increase this value 500, see, now this is also underdamped system, but the system is taking too much time to come into the steady state. So further, if you want to see its steady state, you have to increase its this time period. So let me change 0 to 0.52 second. Let's run the program. See, now it is going to be settled after a long time. Okay, so after reducing this value, you will get less oscillation because resistor is the damping component, or it is providing the friction into the component, into the system. This is friction component basically. Okay, so I think आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा अभी जीटा कैसे वर्क करता है. as we are changing the value of resistance, you will be able to see this response across the capacitor. I show you the different cases, zeta 0, greater than 1 and less than 1. Hope you like this video. Okay, thank you for watching.